This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon roses. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need about 1 pound of thin-cut bacon, which is ideal for rolling. Also, prepare a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil and topped with a wire rack. A muffin tin will be crucial for shaping, and don't forget a handful of toothpicks to secure your beautiful creations. This method is straightforward and yields delicious results. Now let's get to rolling. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take each strip of bacon and roll it tightly from one end to the other, creating a compact spiral. To ensure it holds its shape, insert 2 toothpicks through the base in a cross pattern. This keeps the rows intact during baking. Carefully place each secured bacon roll into an individual cup of your muffin tin, ready for the oven. It's time to bake your bacon roses to perfection. Place the muffin tin in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You're looking for a beautifully crispy texture and a rich, golden brown color. About halfway through, carefully drain any excess grease from the muffin tin. Once baked, let them cool slightly before gently removing the toothpicks, revealing your perfectly formed bacon roses. Your delicious bacon roses are almost ready to be enjoyed. After removing them from the muffin tin, let them cool on a wire rack for about 5 minutes. Now comes the fun part, arranging them. You can place them artfully on a platter or even create a savory bouquet. For an extra touch, consider adding edible garnishes like fresh parsley. Serve these delightful, savory treats warm to experience their full, irresistible flavor. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.